This year, the City of Poulsbo's sailing program sailed out of Kingston, where it was offering classes, and went back to Liberty Bay. Kingston residents rallied to form a new nonprofit, Sail Kingston Cove, which is providing sailing lessons to ages 8 to 13. This week wrapped up the 7th week of the first summer classes. The program has already helped more than 30 kids learn and practice sailing techniques. Sail Kingston Cove was able to lift its sails in such a short amount of time thanks to the help of about $22,000 in donations from the community. Those donations helped purchase 8 dinghy boats used for youth lessons. The program hopes to expand next year, offering classes to high school students and adults.